In every season of life, there is a need for healing. Healing of the body, healing of the heart, healing of the soul. This Christmas season, we celebrate not just a birth, but the living presence of Jesus, the healer. Presenting to you Fabiola, Lopes, Fernandes, and her group.
Do come for a concert,
Jesus the Healer,
at Rosary Church,
at 7 p.m.
Tuesday.
So be it.